Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off professional mode in Facebook. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Facebook app. Now go to your profile page by clicking on the profile picture in the left hand side of your screen. Click on the three horizontal dots just beside See Dashboard option. Now click on Turn Professional Mode Off option. Click on the Continue button. And if you're sure, click on the Turn Off option. So that is how you can turn off professional mode in Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.